How was your Shabbos? You had a good Shabbos?
Shabbos was good, thank God. Very good.
Yeah, very nice. Okay. Okay, good. See you soon.
Okay, 26th of January,
Yeah.
Rabbi Furst, Mishna Berura.
Blessing on the Tila Yadayim. The Hainu Achar Sheshafach Rak Pa'am Echad Ayadav. And Achar, after he pours only once on his hand, or his hands maybe.
Right.
B'pachot Merivivit, less than a revi'it. Shake Yadav Zo Bizo, and he shakes, rubs each hand. Okay.
That
Uh,
that's a kiddush. That's a kiddush that he's washing with pechos meravi'is. Um, but he's washing. I guess he has more than a revis in his kli, the kli that he's washing from, but he's still washing with less than a revis on the hands. Okay,
uh,
that's a kiddush.
uh,
That's a bit of a kiddush. That's very little. A revis is very little water. Right, to wash with less than a revis, using a very little water for that. Yeah.
oh,
Yeah, good morning, Eli and Lou. We're in Sifkat and Gimel in the Mishnah Berurah. We're in Kuf Samech uh, Hey and Sifkat and Gimel in the Mishnah Berurah.
Thank you.
So that's a bit of a chiddush. He's going to wash with less than a revis. Okay.
But if he washes with less than a revius, then we have all those problems with tumor, right?
That you're right. That's if he's going to be washing. I think what the Mishnah Berurah means is he's washing with more than a revis in the kli that he's washing from, but he's only putting on less than a revis on the hands, which will be okay.
Because why? Because since the kli has more than a revius, it has the halach of a mikvah.
Yes, that's right. Exactly. We learned about that. Correct. Right. So I think that's what the Mishnah Berurah means over here, that that he's not suggesting to wash with less than a revis total in the kli, because then you can, as you said, you can have all the problems we had with the tumas, and then he's gonna be fouled up. It's not he's gonna because here he's doing shift on his hands, and the revis is not gonna less than a revis is not really gonna cover the hands so well, and he's gonna run into all the problems. So I think I'd have to check this out. That I think what the Mishnah was kavanah here is that he's going to be washing from the kli that holds is holding more than a revis, but he's washing only from that kli using the first dousing for each hand less than a revis. Apparently, that seems to be what the Mishnah Berurah is indicating here. But I'm going to try and check that out. And then, as he says, he continues on, right? So ba'akikach, right?
okay. Hold on. I just summary research. V'achar kach shofech pam shniya v'ayadav l'taher hamayim arishonim. Okay, and afterwards he pours a second time on his hands to clean the water from the first time.
Right.
Okay, v'az mivarech netilat yadayim, and then he says netilat yadayim.
Right. So now here the Mishnah Berurah clarifies it. In the Mechaber, as you noticed, that's why I pointed out. The end of the Mechaber was, right? Achakach b'shas niguv yivorech al netiyas yadayim. That the Mechaber apparently didn't clarify exactly what's coming first, or it seems like it's almost coming simultaneously. But here the Mishnah Berurah says, Mivorech al netiyas uminagi. First the bracha, as we're accustomed to do. We make the bracha first, and then we dry.
Right. Okay. V'ach the muvoar la'el b'simin kuf saying it's kuf samik bet. Okay, so it's explained up above in kuf samik bet. She ha mish taf sheif yadav achar mayim arishonim. Okay, that he um not wipes, Joe, rubs off his
Yeah,
hands
shifts his,
after the first uh pouring of water.
the
Uh,
shifts of his right.
Nitma'u yadav zeh. Okay, so his hands uh, are clean or purified, whatever.
Well,
Zeh means from this.
it's not, they're going to become, they're going to tame, they're going to be mitame.
Oh, there's still
Tame.
tame, right? That's not tahir. Okay, so his hands are still tame. Vein mo'il achar kach hamayim shniyim. Uh, and it doesn't cause afterwards what the water.
Moil, it's not, moil means it's not beneficial,
Oh,
not
it's not
beneficial.
beneficial. Okay, after the second pouring, yesh
Right, the second
lomar.
is not going to, the second washing is not going to benefit him in.
Aha. Okay, yesh lomar de hachamare shenishpach al shtei yadav ke'achad. And what some say that it appears that they should pour twice over uh, his hand at once, immediately.
So it
The, uh,
seems like he's to get
yeah.
out of this problem, right? He's suggesting must be talking about that you're washing both hands exactly together, which is not so easy. Someone will have to do it for you. Right?
Oh, yeah, that's right. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. The az chashivei kiyad achat umutar l'shaf shef k'de'ayel siman kufsamik bet sif hey. Okay, that what he should
If you're going to be pouring the water on both hands simultaneously, then you can, in fact, do it this way and do a shift shuf. Yeah.
oh, okay. Is
Yeah. But
explained.
again, as I said, you're going to have someone do it for you. I can't imagine you pouring water on both hands simultaneously and actually doing the pouring as well.
Yeah. That would be some trick.
Yeah, maybe a Houdini, some kind of a fellow like that might be able to do it.
Yeah. Well, I guess that must be why when the Kohanim wash, they have someone wash their hands.
Oh, exactly. Yeah, very good. That's right. That's right. Yeah, they actually have to have they should really be doing their feet at the same time as well, no?
In theory, but my understanding is, at least today, you're supposed to at least walk up. You can't walk up barefoot. You got to walk up in at least socks.
Right, yeah. But
We'll have to
we have the
learn
base
that too.
yeah, I think in the base of Mikdash that it'll be uh it'll be the feet and the hands together, I think, from the kior.
Right, but their feet, I think, were bare at the time,
Yeah, oh
because
yeah, yeah, that's right, for sure.
yeah.
Sure. Okay, let's continue on.
Okay, it says v'katvu achronim de l'didan de haginan lito revi'it bevat achad kol yad v'yad. Okay, so the achronim write that we are accustomed to wash with a revi'it over, I guess, each hand.
Right, we are accustomed the way we do things. We wash a revis over each hand. That's right. Like I said, when we started learning these halachas, we have Baruch Hashem a tremendous amount of abundance of water. Fresh on tap, hot, cold water, filtered water, bottled water, uh, boiling water, you name it, you can get it. And so we, Baruch Hashem, when we fill up our klees, our washing containers, we fill them up and it holds more than oh, at least 4 or 5, even 6, maybe more revis, and we're dousing them with lots of water. So
Aha. Okay, so imkain nigmar tekef taharat yadayim v'ra'oi levarech al netilat yadayim. Okay, so after I guess uh, oh, hold on, I just lost my place. 1 second. Oh, imkain nigmar. So when he finishes immediately, taharat, his hands are clean, pure, and he's able to bless al natilat yadayim. Imkain birchat asher yatzar have hefsech bein natilat livracha. And so therefore, for the bracha asher yatzar, there's an interruption between the natila, the washing for the bracha, I guess.
so
Okay.
according to that, is that we do it one way or yeah, Nigmar taketh Taras Yadayim, meaning originally, immediately when you pour the first revis on each hand, like we normally do, it's completed the tar. The hands are now pure.
Mhm.
And then at that point, it's really fit to wash make the bracha on nitlas yain. V'im kain, if so, bracha sheyat shahavi hefsek, being the tila lebracha. It's going to turn out to be that the making the bracha sheyat at that time is going to be a hefsek between the natila to the bracha. The yoser toiv, right? It's better to do it in the way that the Mishnah was originally mentioned in the Shulchan Aruch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. But yeah, I would the best suggestion is if you're gonna use the facilities, then the necessity to wash your hands and then go right from there to washing for a motzi. Best thing is to not don't use a kli, don't use a washing vessel to wash your hands coming out of the facilities. Even if you normally do when you come out of the restroom, if you normally do wash your hands with the kli, right? So better not to use a kli in this case. Just wash them. Um, you can use soap if you want and get them nice and clean, because all you have to do is get the hands clean to make the bracha shiatza. You don't have to wash them ritually to make the bracha shiatza. And then,
Oh, okay.
yeah, to make the bracha shiatza, you do not have to wash them ritually. There's no ritual necessity to do the washing in the ritual manner to make a bracha shiatza. Except in the morning, the first time you wake up in the morning, if you're going to make the bracha al natilas yadayim. So since you're making the bracha al natilas yadayim, then you need to do the ritual washing, followed immediately by the sheyatza and elokai neshama. But normally during the course of the day, right, it's enough if you come out of the facilities and you're going to wash for a motzi also. So just wash your hands, cleanse them nicely, and get them clean. Make your bracha sheyatza, and then you can wash your hands for the ritual washing in the proper way without any worry about the bracha. Now, there's something very important to see. Tomorrow, I'd like to discuss with you in the volume hey in the fifth volume of the Mishnah Berura, that's in Hilchos Pesach. This is something where this question is relevant to how we do things in Leil Seder. So if for tomorrow, if you don't mind, if we can take a look there in the fifth um, volume of the Mishnah Berura, we'll take a look at the halakha over there.
Okay.
But we'll save that for tomorrow because there's enough time to, we're 2 minutes now to do this. So let's just look at Sif base.
Right.
We'll just take a look at Sif base to begin with for now, and then we'll go back and do a little retracking for the
Okay. So let's see. Bet. It says, Im rabim isubim besuda hagadol. Oh no, besuda. So if many people are around at a meal,
right.
hagadol notel yadav techila. I guess the elder washes his hands first. Maybe the more
That
important one.
it depends. It could be Gadol in years or in wisdom or both.
Okay. Let's see. The Harosh Haya Ragil Litol Bachrona. Oh, and the Rosh used to wash his hands last, I guess.
Right. He would wash his hands last. We'll see in the Mishnah why that was.
Okay.
Um,
Oh, Shalo Lehavsik.
uh,
So what? There's no
there's no
interruption? No.
interruption, no delay, no hipstick, interruption or delay.
Okay, and no speaking.
Right.
Okay.
Because because that's going to be the next. If you take a look in Kuf Samig Vav, you'll get a picture why that's important. Look at just in the next Machaber Kuf Samig Vav.
Oh, let's see. Vav Shalo Lehavsik. Hainu Shehiyah Merubah. Kedi Kaman Besiman Kuf Samik Vav. Oh, okay.
As
Oh, that's the
we're
whole
gonna
next section. Oh,
that.
Kuf Samik.
And, hey, very good. Thank you, Mir. Very nice. Well,
Back,
as I
man.
said, we'll tomorrow
Okay.
with
Talk to you.
Thank you, Rabbi.
learning the Mishnah. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, a good week, B'ezras Hashem, and I hope to see you both tomorrow.
Okay. B'ezras Hashem.
Right. Shalom. Bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.